Hi friends, in today's quick learning, we will go through the mathematical function in Excel called as SUMIF and SUMIFS. So here we can see set of data having month, site, salesperson, product, quantity and sales. Okay, and these are some of the criterias. So let's move with the first one. We need the sum of quantity for existing site. For existing site, under site you can see new site and existing site. So we need the sum of quantity. So here you have condition as one condition existing. So equal to sum if. When we are going with the one condition, you will go with option as sum if. Okay. Sum if, it will ask you the range. So range is what? This one. Site, comma, condition is what? Existing. So you can select the condition as existing by clicking on it, okay? Or under double quotes, you can write existing like this, okay? Both will work, comma, what you want? A sum range like quantity. Sum of quantity is this one and close the bracket. So these are the total quantity for the existing site. Now we need total sales for the month of Jan or in Jan. So equal to sum if, because it has only one criteria like Jan. So it will ask you the range. Range will be month. So how you will select this entire data? By doing Control Shift and down arrow. Control Shift down arrow. Okay. Comma, and criteria is what? Jan. So you can click anywhere wherever Jan is and comma. What do you want? Sum range like total sales. So total sales is here. Selected, enter. So these are the total sales for Jan. Okay. Next, I want total sales for December where site is new. So here we can see how many criteria are there, like two criteria. So equal to sum ifs, sum ifs, okay, in bracket. Sum if will ask you the sum range. What do you want? A range, total sales. Sum range, comma. Criteria one is December. So December comes under month, comma. You can go with any December, comma. Then criteria 2 will be site. So I will select the site, okay, and from this site you will go with new and enter. So this will give you total sales for December where site is new. Next, total sales where quantity is more than 500. So here we have only one criteria, so you will go with sum if, okay, quantity is more than 500. So what you want? Total sales. So you will select the range first, like quantity, sum if in bracket, and criteria is what? Greater than 500. So whatever your criteria is equal to, not the equal to, under double quotes you will mention greater than 500, comma, what you want? The sum range like total sales and enter. These are the total sales having quantity more than 500. Next, I need the total sales where site is new, okay, product is grocery and quantity is more than 200. So here we can see set of three criterias. You will definitely go with sum ifs, okay, sum ifs in bracket. You will go with the sum range. What do you want? Total sales. So total sales. Now you will go with criterias one by one. My first criteria is what? Site is new. So site is there under this column B5. You will select this B5 till last, comma, and then you will go with new because condition is new. Second criteria is product. So you will select the product. And condition for this product is grocery, so you can select any grocery. Okay, then third criteria is what? Quantity, so you will select the quantity. Okay, you will select where the data is. Okay, only that much area. Then comma, and criteria for this quantity is should be greater than 200. So for greater than 200 you will enter that option as in double quotes, greater than 200, double quote close and enter. So these are the total sales where site is new. Let's validate the last option. Okay, site is new, product is grocery. So site is new, product is grocery. I'm just highlighting this. Site is new, product is grocery. Okay, then next, site is new, product is grocery and quantity. So site new, let's highlight the site new product groceries. Okay, site new product groceries, groceries, existing. This one is existing. So under grocery and the new site, we can see three options. Okay, these are the existing. Now coming to the quantity. Quantity, this one is like less than, uh, so no fill, less than 200. This one is more than 200 and this one is more than 200. So I'm just removing this color. Okay. So total for this two, 13, 902 and 94. If I add this two equal to sum in bracket, this value, comma, wait, select that a cell. Okay. I will just add formula here equal to sum in bracket, first cell, comma, second cell. So the total sales where site is new, product is grocery and sale quantity is more than 200 and total sales is 22,950. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.